Ever pondered what the outcome of the impending South African elections might bring? Could we witness Jacob Zuma reclaiming his seat? Or will President Cyril Ramaphosa maintain his position? Let's delve into the political strategies and public opinions of these two prominent figures. Jacob Zuma, former president of South Africa, is known for his populist approach. He's a master of political maneuvering, often employing rhetoric that appeals to the masses. His charismatic personality and the ability to connect with people at a grassroots level have won him a loyal following. However, his tenure was marred by allegations of corruption and economic mismanagement, leading to growing public discontent. On the contrary, President Cyril Ramaphosa, with his pragmatic and diplomatic demeanor, brings a distinct style to the political arena. His focus on economic reform and anti-corruption measures have earned him accolades, both domestically and internationally. However, critics argue that his policies lack the vigor needed to address South Africa's deep-seated socio-economic issues. Public opinion varies greatly between these two. While Zuma's supporters laud his charisma and populist approach, his critics point to his controversial tenure as a reason for their skepticism. Ramaphosa, on the other hand, is praised for his reformative policies and diplomatic prowess, but faces criticism for his perceived lack of urgency in implementing change. To summarize, the upcoming election holds the potential for intriguing outcomes. Will the charismatic Jacob Zuma, with his populist approach, reclaim his seat despite his controversial past? Or will President Cyril Ramaphosa, with his pragmatic policies and diplomatic style, be able to maintain his position? Only time will unfold the answer to this captivating political puzzle. Remember, the winds of change are often unpredictable, especially in the vibrant and dynamic political landscape of South Africa.